written by Valli Kannan. The name of the writer is Valli Kannan, and Madam, in the story that Madam rides the bus, Madam is a 8 years old little girl whose name is Valli Ammai. The name of the girl is Valli Ammai, and in short form Valli. Everybody tells her Valli. So Madam rides the bus. Actually, this little girl, she used to spend her time by watching the incidents which are happening around her, and she used to stand up in front of her home, in front of the door of her home, and that the buses which were going and coming, by observing the buses, there was a desire in her also to ride the bus, and for that all the necessary details she had gathered, and that the fare of the bus also she had collected. So on a fine day at 1 p.m. She was there in front at the stoppage, and then stop the bus. Then when the conductor asked that who the passenger is, then Valli told it is none but herself. So conductor was amused. He was a jolly person. So he told, yes, madam. So you get in. And when he stretched his arm to help Valli denied. So that's why that she was not a little girl. So she could ride on the bus by herself. So that's why conductor told that, oh yes, madam. And then when Valli got into the bus, then conductor told, yes, everybody, please side, here madam, here is your seat. And that there was hardly 6 to 7 passengers in the bus, and the way the conductor was talking, and Valli was only 8 years old, small girl, so everybody was smiling at him, and everybody was in a very good mood. And in the front of the bus, Valli had taken her seat. And Valli, when everybody started looking at her, Valli was a little bit shy, but she had taken her seat, and in front of her seat there was a clock. When Valli had taken the seat, then conductor told, yes madam, so can you move? Then Valli just, oh yes. Then the conductor blew his whistle, and with that large roar, the bus started to move. Valli was just devoured. Devoured means actually just watching very eagerly everything. Valli, this is her first ride, and first time she had come out of her home and alone. So naturally a special type of thrill, different type of feeling was there inside her. So she was looking everything, she was watching, observing everything. The seat of the bus was very much comfortable, and that outside the bus it was just painted very nicely, having the green borders. Then Valli had that observed the bus. Now she tried to look through the window, but Valli, 8 years old girl, so when she was sitting in her seat and she tried to look through the window, then that a blind canvas was just making obstacle, because she is small, so she could not see through the window. So that's why she stood up. By standing, she started observing outside, and she saw that it was a very narrow way, and there was a canal. Beside a canal, the bus was moving, and that one side that there were palm trees, there were greeneries, and there were mountains, and on the other side there were only then blue sky, and on the other side there were only green field. And what a lovely sight when Valli was just totally absorbed in the beauty of the nature, in the view of through the window, outside view. Then somebody told, why are you standing? Why you should sit, otherwise you will fall down. Then Valli, she sat on his seat, and she turned who was telling like that. Then she saw that an old man who was really concerned. Concerned means worried that yes, such a small girl, she was standing and she was observing. And anytime that when the bus will take turn, or while there will be that speed breakers, that time there will be a jerk, no? So that's why Valli may fall down. That's why the old man told her to sit. Then Valli was very much annoyed, and she told, I have paid my 30 paise myself, and I am journey in this bus alone. So nobody is child over here. Nobody is small. Then conductor told looked at Valli and told, yes, madam, and yes, she had paid her money, and she is going she is journeying in this bus, is riding this bus to the town alone. So then Valli was very much irritated, and she told, why you are not that minding your own business, and say I am not a child, and I have given you the my fare, and you have not given me the ticket yet. So conductor told, yes, I will remember. Actually that Valli was very smart, and she did not like that anybody would consider her as a small girl, small child. So she that told everyone that, and whenever from anyone that such behavior was coming, that she was nothing but a mere child, then Valli protested. Then Valli told that because I want to see. Then conductor giving her the ticket told that, why are you not occupying your seat? And yes, you are not a child, I will remember that. Of means conductor also just behaving like that. Oh, how stupid I am. Yes, she is madam, and I am not madam also, Valli told. Then conductor, soon one stoppage came, and that some passengers, they got in the bus. So the conductor, he was also busy with the passengers to collect the tickets, and Valli was looking through the window, and she was observing the views outside. And then when the passengers, they get in, with those passengers one old lady, and when Valli when Valli saw that some passengers were there inside the bus, then she thought that maybe somebody that occupy her seat. So she took her seat and started looking outside. Are you alone? Then Valli again she was disturbed. Then she turned her head and looked that it was an old lady, and whose earlobe there was a big hole in her earlobe, and not a the earring was not good. And so first thing, Valli did not like anyone interfering her that attention. And secondly, that this old woman, she was chewing betel nut. So what that, and that the mouth was filled with saliva or with the betel nut. So anytime it may come out. So the total appearance of the old lady, it was just disgusting for Valli, and such unsociable, and such so Valli, in her mind, she was thinking that who will be sociable of such lady, means she was not at all interested. She just told me yes, and then she again looked through the window, and the old lady, she just started, do you know that it is not good for you, such a small girl, to journey alone, and where are you going, do you know the street, do you know the flat number, means that all the necessary questions she started uttering, and Valli did not give any reply and did not pay any attention to that lady. So this was the experiences of Valli. As she was a small girl, so everybody was concerned, everybody was trying to take care of her, but she was smart enough, and she was able to take care of herself, and she told it also. So and still lot of part is still there, and next 2 days we will complete that. So thank you. Stay at home, stay safe.